Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use multiple gift cards to buy items on Amazon. This is incredibly useful when you've accumulated several gift cards and want to combine them all into one purchase without the hassle of managing each one separately. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now, on your account page, look for the option labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing all your gift card activity. Once you're in the gift cards area, focus on the upper left panel where you'll find the option that says Redeem a Gift Card. Click on this to begin adding your gift cards to your Amazon balance. You'll now see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Type in the code from your first gift card, making sure to enter it exactly as it appears. After entering the code, click Apply to your balance. This will instantly add the value of that gift card to your Amazon account balance. Here's where the beauty of Amazon's system comes in. You'll need to repeat this process for each additional gift card you have. Don't worry, Amazon automatically pools all these amounts into one single balance, making it easy to use them all at once for a purchase. Once you've added all your gift cards, it's time to shop. Use the search bar at the top of the page to look for the item you want to buy. Browse through the results that appear and click on your preferred product when you find it. This will take you to the product detail page where you can read more about the item and see pricing information. When you're ready to purchase, click Add to Cart. This places the item in your shopping cart for checkout. Now navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Cart. This will show you all the items you've added and allow you to review your selections. Look for the product you just added to your cart, and in the right panel, you'll see a button that says Proceed to Checkout. Click this to move forward with your purchase. On the payment page, you'll notice that Amazon gift card balance appears as a payment option. The great thing here is that it applies automatically up to your total balance. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the entire purchase, you can add another payment method to cover the difference. Finally, click Place Your Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used multiple gift cards to make a single purchase on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.